Hello, everyone. My name is Nashay, and my experience in the field came from my field placement, which was at a child welfare agency. And it was a lot. It was a lot of understanding. It was a lot of different concepts and kind of trying to do things to fit the client. And prior to working in child welfare, I worked as a direct service worker at psychiatric hospitals. And I've only been doing that for about 3 years. So I'm still learning and I'm still trying to build my resume and I'm still trying to gain a bit more experience in the field. My goals for developing into a clinical social worker is my main goal is to really learn and utilize tools that I can use to boost my confidence in working with individuals and understanding them and actually really making a difference. And challenges that I foresee, definitely, um, it's a lot. It's a lot of concepts, a lot of theories, and a lot of different interventions and techniques that could be used with individuals. And I think that that will be a challenge for me because I don't have much experience in the field. So I'm still trying to figure out, when to use this technique, how to use that. If it's not working, then what to do. So um, that'll just be the biggest challenge, is just getting to know that client and adapting to what their needs are. And that's pretty much it about me. I thank you guys for listening. I thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to working with you.